Hey, what's good, YouTube? So your boy back with another video. It's the 4th of July, man. Say, hey, man, it's going up, man. You got the skate in the back.
Good shit, Smoke. I'm gonna see what I can do.
I'm finna go in there with him. I'll be back, honestly. I'm gonna show YouTube you what like inside and shit. But yeah, man, we got some exclusive shit going on. Hey, my bad for the cussing. I'm gonna try to edit everything out, man. It's hot. I probably started this off since earlier. Hey, but you see, I'm promoting social distance, man. 6 feet. I'm gonna show y'all everything. What's on YouTube? So look, man. Hey, every year we do it big. We go to war, man. We get a little something small for the kids, but you know, war time. You know what I'm saying? Hey, we get active. Yes, sir. This little small stuff, man, just for the night. But hey, we got some big stuff, so man, don't run up on us like something sweet.
It's a tool, man.
Yeah, but man, you can hold him up. Yes, sir, man. We get to active. When we come outside, we can show y'all a little something. Until tonight. Tonight, I don't really got, because, you know, we in the war. We in the whole war. Hey, if you're at home, don't try this, man, what we doing at night. I probably show y'all a little something, but I ain't going to be able to show y'all everything. But yes, sir, man. I'm going to hit y'all back as soon as we get outside.
I'm finna see what's that nigga pop one of these.
Yeah. I'm one of them big
No shirt. Hold on.
Oh, you supposed to hold that with a shirt?
I'm holding this up like this. Hello, where you at? This nigga here trying to
Hey, come out here.
This nigga got a bonnet on.
Put that T-High.
We out here.
Watch out, Smoke.
So if you put that bitch in there backwards, that bitch will shoot out the bottom of the hole?
I don't really trust these hoes.
That bitch probably blowing.
I'm about to skate. I'm playing like my shit up there. Quit playing. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Rico, I run big ass down with you hoes. Hey, watch out, nigga. We use like I got an uncle that's, you know, over there. Every night.
Oh shit.
For somebody he did her car like over.
That
Yes, in YouTube, young. Oh, that hoe went out.
That hoe went out.
Yeah, you wanna go get that hoe? Nah, it probably still got some steam on it, huh? Yeah, go get that hoe. Go get that hoe.
When you had Kyle and she had said, but that glass.
To who? Oh. No.
Them hoes in the tools.
But look. These hoes, I just throw it. If he ain't got the tool that go with it, I don't just put it. How fella fuck his hand on. You probably get a tool that's probably too tight for that hoe. Like when you put a bum in that hoe probably be just able to come out. Some niggas be forcing them hoes in there. A fella put that big ass bum in his small tool and fuck his hand on. So I just light that hoe, let the stem get little, light that bitch, let the stem get little, and chunk that.
Yeah, you supposed to sit them hoes out from the tool. Like sometimes you can just throw them hoes, you don't got no tool.
So we ain't putting shit on the ground and let it go in her, nigga. We, you know what I'm saying? the sun is a bit. But it's going down, man. This just a little pre-turn up.
Yeah, I'm trying to
So look, hey, I'm teaching my partner. You know,
Hello,
he
is
don't
that
know
how
nothing
it
about
is?
it. Hey, sit in the street. Let's sit in the street. Hey, so I'm teaching we teaching nigga how to hold firework and shit. Yeah, y'all get in the street. Look, he looking nervous. Look, stiff, look, loosen up. Yeah, loosen up, my nigga.
I say this how bang, nigga.
Yeah, hold that hoe tight, nigga. Yeah. So we got a little smoke.
Hey, man. Nigga, that shit running out.
The smoke in the face there, boy.
Go ahead and do your thing, boy.
Yeah. It's gonna be extra fun because we shoot at niggas. Oh, God.
Oh, we burning the shit out of niggas.
Yeah,
And like when them husbands, when
yeah,
the
he
shit be
mad
falling
or
out there.
something? Yeah. YouTube, so your boy done made it home. I ain't made it home for the day, but you know what I'm saying? I'm bringing a challenge off him driving my little duck off, man. Hey, when I'm switching cars, it's gonna get real, man. I'm gonna switch clothes too. Y'all gonna see all that in this video. I'm gonna have something different on, but hey, it's finna get ugly, man. It's about to get ugly, man. I had a little fun with the skate, man. I ain't wanna burn my tires. I end up burning my tires and stuff, but y'all gonna see all that in the video, but say, stuff is about to get real, man. Hey, y'all see the stars up there? They got my little duck out looking at me, man. I ain't gonna show y'all that because, you know, I don't need people knowing, you know. It ain't even nothing like that, man. But it's just, you know, it's called a duck out call for a reason, man. I don't want no attention. You know, this the attention seeker right here, but this the little player car. I still got a lot of meat on. Show y'all this. Huh? Yeah. Nah, I really got a dinner shit, so when we pull up on people, nah, I'm gonna let it go over here. Nah, put that hoe in the car. Leave it there. Oh, that nigga got a duffel bag full of shit. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, your nigga gonna be, you gonna have a crook in your shit. That nigga start putting that big ass bag on there.
You ain't got no.
Oh, yeah, that be them too. Hey, what's good, man? So, hey, your boy in the back seat, man. And we finna pull up to where the Warriors, man. You know, I'm too known over there and stuff. You know, it's probably ain't where I'm making a scene. But, you know, I don't want people to know me, so. So I got my nigga Rico drive. And shit. We in the backseat, me and Darius, you know, the hitters, you know, got a bag right there, trunk full of shit. But yeah. Shit, we heading to Murdoch right now, shit. They don't know Rico, you know, Rico ain't from this area, so. I got my nigga Rico driving, but you know, we finna duck. My nigga over here getting ready. Hey, well look. What tube go to those?
Of course.
Oh, so you got the tube in there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, as long as you got tube in there, you straight. I thought you was just putting them hoes in there and don't know. Y'all said this nigga tripping. Hey, these muds hit hard, I swear to God. Hey, you could have turned right here, Rico.
It's all good. You can go.
Yeah, really, yeah.
Just go through Murdoch.
Oh, no, this the one right here. This the one I was talking about right here.
You talking about the other?
Young Forces?
Yeah, fucking with drinking them.
Hey, what they was doing over there? It was a lot of people.
I guess they came while they there now. Like y'all fucking jumped in. They in the pool and shit. So I don't think Pinky drowning, but she got on float.
How big the pool is?
It's big, but they was in the jacuzzi part.
Oh, the pool built in his house?
Yeah. Pinky got her little floats on. Her baby mama jumped in the water. Like she kind of got mad twice. Yeah, I'm waiting. Ain't nobody tell your ass to go.
Make it right.
Ain't nobody tell your ass to go.
Hey, look. You should let me just. When you gonna let me cut Junior hair shit all on Facebook and the motherfucker cut his hair like
I think I called
Make
you.
it
You answer the phone.
I ain't getting no call. Shit, I got her.
Yeah, I was gonna let you cut it.
Junior hair is just Junior got the same shit what Phil and Keontae got. That's one of the easiest haircuts. Yeah, Hey, but we finna put it up to the board right now, man. It's across the street. They probably ain't even jumping just yet. But we gonna turn that bitch up. We gonna crank that bitch up. I got a lot of beeping to do. I'm in cussing to it. Damn. You gonna keep straight across here. You know the rest. Make a right in the apartments when you get in there. Keep straight to the stop. Now go, cause it turn.
Keep going to another house for the night.
I'm social distancing. Yes, sir. One in the head.
That shit in my mouth. I smell it.
You know these brakes bad. Shit.
I'm pressing that bitch don't want to stop like that.
Why y'all ain't got no another shirt?
Nah, hell no. I'm gonna ask Craig over here. Ask Poo Poo over here, nigga, get the shirt.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait till I get by here.
Nah, make it right. Yeah, nah, don't go that way. Nah, all right. Damn. So you gonna go left?
Make it right.
Y'all don't smell it? That shit getting in my mouth now.
He acting just like your damn mama. I said, I ain't got to hide. Oh, I see the police like hood.
You seen the police?
Yeah. I just seen one. He in the informant. Hey, I'm gonna hit y'all buffer calls for Keontae and see what they get.
Let me record it. Hey, Will, let me talk to him.
Damn, this bitch don't need no other but they got police up here.
Hey, let me get it.
And we can add this. I had to throw my fireworks on the ground over there. But yeah, man. Yes, sir. They got Popo over here, man. Hey, look at me. Yes, sir. They got the fire, you know what I'm saying? We doing it.
Left them tools right there, like,
Don't be throwing my car to the police right there.
They ain't gonna suspect me.
What the fuck is it? Nah, this some hoes. Man, I'm finna get my shit back though.
Well, I'm finna hop out on feet. I'm finna put this shit in the car. Unlock that car though, Rico.
I don't got the shit.
Nah, just leave it locked. Leave it locked. Hey, when everything get,
We really can see it right here, but we don't go.
I'm finna go lock the Craig shit. When everything get hectic and shit, I'm gonna give you gonna be holding these bombs too, nigga. Oh God. I'm gonna need that tool right there. I had to hide my shit when the police were here, y'all. I'm gonna need that tool right there. I'm gonna hit y'all back later when we start getting hectic. And walk on wood. Damn, these hoes on fire. Hey, yeah, y'all shoot.
I don't care who I shoot. If I get burnt, I don't care who I
Damn. That nigga say he shooting. Nigga say he don't give a fuck who he shooting. Nigga, you ain't gonna be the only one shooting nigga. Oh God. Damn. Damn, them hoes on fire. Popping and shit.
Tell the camera boy, tell him nigga Dallas the hottest city out here.
Hey, you heard that nigga? Nah, you hear that car, nigga? That hoe over there popping and shit, nigga. On my soul. I done walked up close on the hood. Hey, they ain't gonna need to let y'all go that way. Y'all might well bag back. Nah, not yet. Hey, y'all might well bad bet. They ain't gonna need to try to go that way. That's how I told you. The police right there. Damn. Crazy. Hey, we watching. I have to go back. Damn.
Now I'm glad they're here. I'm this today. I'm glad they're here.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I think you saw burning the hood down and shit down. That's what you don't wear now.
Yeah.
These cars don't wear now.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey, when you gonna get dressed?
One of your cook, you got two cooks.
Oh, these drunk ass niggas, they y'all niggas going on YouTube like who?
Where she at? In the house. I'm looking outside.
Who called it in?
Pick it up. Right, got the sign.
That's messed up, but shit. That's an insurance claim.
Bad ass insurance claim.
Hey, it's crazy. That shit was popping.
That shit, bro. I'm gonna be a problem.
Hey, I wouldn't even be mad if I had a. On my soul, if I had that red Challenger still, I would not be mad. Yeah, that's crazy. Nigga like he ready to shoot that hoe at them. Yeah. On my soul. That nigga like he ready to shoot that bitch at them. It's like they shoot at the fire truck. Look.
You get that thing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, they need to chill out though. They tripping. They shooting at the police and shit. Hey, damn.
They pointed out.
Oh, what's good, YouTube? Y'all probably can't see me that good. Damn, I done burned my hand right here and shit. Hey, right now I'm here to my uncle's house, man. My partner done blew his hand, man. That's crazy, dog. My brother did that one year. Oh, man, this firework is still get dangerous. Look, I don't even know. Fake motherfucker. Yes, sir.
You dislike?
Yeah.
Got them all you dislike?
Yeah. You gonna hold it for a minute. I'm gonna let you know when to stop it. Chill out. Go chill out. Keep it in the earth. Shooting at the lady and shit. Yes, sir. Little fake getting active. Oh, God. Throw that hoe. Get my shirt though.
Damn, my finger burned.
Someone, you want to have a little? Yeah, I got you. They steady throwing on her cars for the car. Oh shit.
He better get his ass back. He better get his ass lift the fuck up.
Oh. I got a little camp folk.
I got some of that shit fella got.
Yeah, see camp folk facing that. I know her to hey, Trey. You get this one, I get that one. This Diablo, and I'm gonna put this one in the tube and hold this one. Get off under the tree. Put it in the earth. You ain't gotta shake it. It's gonna do itself. Let me see it.
Get both of us. We was doing the same time.
What's that? Oh, shit.
That big motherfucker right there. Them two big motherfuckers. Two big motherfuckers.
Damn.
Oh, that three big motherfuckers. Yeah. Big motherfucker. Big motherfucker. I'm done. That's it. I should have to have.
Yes, sir. I mean, what's up, man? It's the night really comes to the end. Shit. We done shot, we done let some shots out. We picking up the shells. We done let so many shots out, man. It's crazy.
Looks like you lost another one.
Another one. All these up. Your tube full? Down, nah, I don't think we went way down there. Oh, damn. I bet I found one more. Watch the YouTube. I bet I found another one. Boom. Another one. So I done picked up 3 so far right here. 1, 2, 3. We letting them up. Look. Boom. Then that thing loose. I'm not done, man. It's probably way more. We just ain't getting to them. You gotta oil that boy down again? I don't know how many bullets you got. What's up? What's up? That catch the bag. I mean, that catch the bag. Shit, next time we go to the gun shop, I'm gonna get one of them. I just don't want this.
What feeling we had?
Nah, shit, they just left. The nigga, that shit crazy. I ain't never seen fella stop getting hectic. And now after the old boy fucked his hand off, fella said, fuck this. Nigga, I'm mad than bitch. We left the wall. I was still trying. Yeah, I was still getting angry. Oh, God. That nigga should have stopped doing that shit when he blew his hand off, shit. This the aftermath for these cars called pop. Damn, this shit crazy. Barely insurance, man. Not one, but two. Hey, what happened was they said they had fireworks in here, and the fireworks, I guess some type of fire hit one of the fireworks in the car. Man, it's crazy. I would have been mad, but if it was my V6, I would have been mad. But yeah, man, I'm just showing y'all this, man. We finna hit the aha right now. Yeah, man. Y'all been. It's good, YouTube, so I'm leaving Waffle House, man. This basically the end of the vlog, man. I know the vlog hey, I know the vlog gonna be all over the place, but man, it is what it is. But I'm gonna put it together as good as I can, man. But hey, it's a lot of stuff I ain't show y'all today neither, man. So hey, just like, comment, subscribe, man. You hear me say like, comment, subscribe, Craig? You know what that mean? That nigga probably, this nigga over here talking to the camera. Hey, well, nah, yeah, man, the video gonna be all over the place, but then like, comment, subscribe, man. He thought he wants the fat girl number. He like fat girl. Yeah. Nah, I'm out.